living in a small apartment or dealing with limited storage space. Do you need a vacuum cleaner for quick cleanups and hard floors, but don't require heavy-duty deep cleaning? If so, the Eureka Airspeed ultra-lightweight compact bagless upright vacuum cleaner might be a budget-friendly option for you. This lightweight and portable vacuum boasts convenient features, but it's important to understand its limitations before you buy. Let's take a closer look at the functionalities and potential drawbacks of the Eureka Airspeed to see if it's the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Lightweight maneuverability, a blessing for tight spaces. One of the most significant advantages of the Eureka Airspeed is its weight. At a mere 7.7 pounds, this vacuum cleaner is incredibly lightweight. This makes it effortless to maneuver around furniture, carry it upstairs, and store it in even the most compact spaces. For those with limited mobility or who need to clean tight corners and high shelves, the lightweight design is a major plus. Quick release handle for above-floor cleaning. The Eureka Airspeed offers a quick release handle that allows you to detach the main body of the vacuum for above-floor cleaning. This allows you to use the included crevice tool and dusting brush for tasks like cleaning furniture, upholstery, windowsills, and other hard-to-reach areas. While this doesn't replace a dedicated handheld vacuum, it offers a convenient solution for quick touch-ups on various surfaces. Decent suction for hard floors and low-pile carpets. The Eureka Airspeed boasts a 6-amp motor that generates decent suction power. While it might not be suitable for deep cleaning plush carpets, it effectively tackles dirt, dust, and hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. The 10.5-inch cleaning path allows you to cover a decent amount of area with each pass, making cleaning efficient for smaller spaces. Washable filter and easy-to-empty dust cup. The Eureka Airspeed features a single washable filter that can be rinsed and reused, eliminating the need for frequent filter replacements. This is a cost-saving feature, especially for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the dust cup boasts a capacity of 1.7 liters, which is sufficient for quick cleanups around the house. The easy-to-empty design simplifies the process of disposing of dirt and debris. A few considerations before you buy: limited power and capacity. While the Eureka Airspeed offers convenience and affordability, there are some factors to consider before making a purchase. The lightweight design and lower wattage motor translate to limited cleaning power. This vacuum might not be suitable for deep cleaning heavily soiled carpets or homes with large furry pets. Additionally, the dust cup capacity is on the smaller side, so it might require frequent emptying for larger cleaning tasks. The verdict: a budget-friendly option for small spaces and quick pickups. Overall, the Eureka Airspeed ultra-lightweight compact bagless upright vacuum cleaner presents a viable option for those on a budget who prioritize a lightweight and portable vacuum cleaner for quick cleanups and hard floor maintenance. The easy maneuverability, washable filter, and above-floor cleaning capabilities add to its convenience. However, for deep cleaning needs or larger living spaces, a more powerful vacuum might be necessary. If you're looking for a lightweight, affordable vacuum cleaner for a small apartment, dorm room, or quick cleanups on hard floors, then the Eureka Airspeed is worth considering. Just remember its limitations if you have deeper cleaning requirements. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.